All good.
We can't afford to walk away right now. Must be worth a conversation, son.
Uh-huh.
Bring him in. Let's get the banker fucks in here on this.
Okay. Fucking A.
Right this way. This is Tom Wamsgans, the chairman of ATN News.
Hi. Hi. Tom, how are you? How are you?
Shiv Roy, president of domestic operations.
Glad you're here.
Just sit wherever you're comfortable.
I need 5.
Dad?
Jesus. Fuck. Yeah, that's his dick. Sent you a picture of his dick by mistake.
Well, it's pretty obvious.
Yeah, he meant to send it to Jerry.
I don't get it.
Well, honestly, he's weird about Jerry. Everyone knows it, and frankly, I think it's fucking disgusting.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, Jerry is probably just not stopping it for leverage, banking it as ammo.
Isn't he just Roman being Roman?
No. No, I mean, no, I think it's a potential problem. There's issues, Everyone says that he used to get jerked off by his personal trainer, and now there's this Jerry thing. It's a track record, So I think, moving forward.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Pinky. Go on.
Okay.
Roman!
Jesus. Hey, put in a good word for you.
Thanks.
Are you a sicko? What is this?
Jesus.
Why do you send them?
It's just, it's like, here's my dick.
Oh, what? Like, fuck you?
People just send each other pics of their dicks.
People send each other pics of their dicks.
Yeah, have you heard of dick pics, Dad?
Well, we do publish a number of popular newspapers, so yes, son. We probably invented the fucking words. But why?
Why? I don't know. It's just like, here's my dick, I guess.
You got a problem? What happened to that nice piece of tail you were with?
Tabitha? Yeah, she's amazing. We're having some issues. And,
What interests you in Jerry, exactly?
Jesus, Dad, I'm screwing around.
I don't like things going on I don't know about. She's 1,000,000 years old. It's fucking disgusting. You're a laughingstock. Oh, go on. Oh, go on. Fuck off.
So, like, what happens now?
I don't want to hang around like frozen fucking piss.
Jerry? I'm not a radical feminist, Dad, but I think perhaps we should not fire her for receiving pictures of my dick.